Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, LinkedIn and so much more on your PC. Are you ready to explore? Without more ado, let's get started. And before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So here is your PC. If you have your PC, just head over to Microsoft Store on your PC, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. But for me, I'm using Windows 11. So I just have to search for Microsoft Store. See, this is Microsoft Store over here. So all you need to do is to open it. And when you open Microsoft Store, you can sign in with your Google account or Microsoft account. So after that, we have apps. Go to apps. These apps here. So go to apps and that's it. And let's say you search, this is where you search for any app you want. For example, if I want WhatsApp, I search for WhatsApp. So that's it. This is WhatsApp and this is WhatsApp Beta. All of them are still WhatsApp platforms. So if you want to get any of them, just click on any one of them and you tap on install. As you can see, if you scroll down, you're going to see Instagram, Snapchat, Fiverr, Messenger, WeChat, Windows. You can see a lot of this. You can even see Pinterest, Discord. You can see these are all social media applications that you can download and use on your PC. So if you've been wondering how you can get all of these apps on your PC, this is the best and the safest way to get that. All right. So you can see. For example, let's say I want to install Discord. This is Discord over here. All you need to do is to click on it. When you click on it, you can see this. It's just like a Google Play Store or Apple App Store, but this one is Microsoft Store because it's for Windows. So you can see this is a real Discord. So just tap on install. When you tap on install, it's going to you can see it says getting ready. After that, it's going to install it directly. You're not going to download the EX file and you come and install later. It's going to install it directly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.